Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to unblock email address in Gmail. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Google Chrome for this. Now you go in for new tab and search in for a gmail.com. and press enter, then get logged in into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Gmail login ID and password. At the home page of Gmail, you need to click on the settings icon on top right. Here you need to click on see all settings. Inside settings, you can see the option of filters and blocked addresses. You click on it. Here you can see the Reddit account has been blocked in my Gmail. Now to unblock this, you just simply click on the unblock just beside of it. Unblock this email address. Yes, you click on unblock. The blocked email address will be unblocked. This is how you can unblock email address in Gmail. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to unblock email address in Gmail. Thank you.